Assalamu alaikum Pyare Hazur. My name is Nabil Mahmoud Hayat. I am 13 years old. I am from Redbridge North Jamaat, East Region. My question is, sometimes people try to get rid of bad habits, but they make the same mistake again. So my beloved Hazur, what is the best way to get rid of bad habits?
Hazrat Masih Maud Islam has given us a very golden principle that if you want to leave any bad habit or any sin, you should first try to loathe that sin, hate that sin, and make a firm promise with you and with Allah Ta'ala as well that you will never commit this sin or do this bad thing again, right? And also pray to Allah Ta'ala that Allah Ta'ala save you from the sin to be committed again by you, or you practice it again, any bad habit or anything, or you do something which can harm the other people, or people consider, or even Allah Ta'ala even says it is against the teaching of Islam and the true Ahmadiyat and the true Islam. So this all depends on your determination, prayer, and dislike of that bad habit and sin. Right? ठीक है? तसल्ली हो गई?